everyone, I'm Sir J and welcome to SirJMathWorld. So for this time, ang topic natin ngayon ay tungkol sa coterminal at saka sa reference angle. So before that, please subscribe to my channel and kung ready na kayo, let's do it. We have the coterminal angle. So kapag sinabi natin coterminal angle, so are two or more angles in the standard position share the same terminal side. So in short, we have the coterminal. From the word itself, co means same, so same terminal. So ibig sabihin nito, sila ay magtatapos doon. Kapag nag-revolve sila, is either positive or negative. Sila ay magtatapos sa iisang terminal. Meron tayong tinatawag dito na standard position. So kapag sinabi natin standard position, ito yung ang initial side niya is nagsisimula sa positive x-axis. So, nasan ba yung positive x-axis natin? So, andito yung positive x-axis natin. So, it's either positive standard position or negative standard position. Siya ay magsisimula kay positive x-axis as the initial side of the given. So, ang formula na ginagamit dito is we have the angle is equal to, or the coterminal is equal to the angle plus or minus 360 times n. So, ano yung n na tinatawag? Ito yung number of revolution na tinatawag natin. Kung siya ba ay 2 revolutions, 3 revolution, 1 negative revolution, or 2 negative revolution. So, meron tayong given dito based on the figure is 45. So, kung kukuha tayo ng positive, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng 45 plus 360 degrees. Tapos, 1 revolution lang siya. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng 45 plus 360 is 405 degrees. Kung negative naman siya, this will be 45 minus 360 times 1. So, this will be 45 minus 360 times 1. This will be equal to negative 315 degrees. So, yan yung isang revolution lang. So, isang positive at saka isang negative. So, punta tayo dun sa dalawa. So, find 2 positive and 2 negative angle coterminal with 220 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, dalawang positive revolution at saka dalawang negative revolution. So, the same formula, this will be, kung positive muna siya, this will be 220 plus 360 times 2. Pagkakaroon tayo ng sagot na 940 degrees. Kung dalawang negative naman siya, so this will be 220 minus. So, minus 360 times 2 is equal to negative 500 degrees. The next is we have the reference angle. So, the reference angle is the smallest non-negative angle between the terminal side and the x-axis when the angle is in the standard position. So, ang magiging sagot natin dapat dito kay reference angle is more than 0 but less than 290 degrees. Dapat yun ang magiging reference angle natin. So, meron tayo dito sa figure natin. So, we have the quadrant 1. Reference angle is equal to the angle itself. Kasi nga, yung dapat maging sagot is the positive degrees na more than kay 0 pero less than kay 90. Tapos, the angle, quadrant 2. So, reference angle is equal to 180 minus the angle, yung given angle. Tapos, quadrant 3, reference angle is equal to angle minus 180. Tapos, quadrant 4 is reference angle is equal to 360 minus the angle. So, paano ba malalaman kung saan siya papasok, kung saan angle siya kabilang? So, this part, this will be 0. Tapos, ito ay 90. Tapos, ito ay 180 degrees. Tapos, ito ay 270 degrees. Ayan. 180. Isin natin. So, 180 degrees. So, kapag 0 to more than 0 to but less than to 90, that is quadrant 1. Greater than to 91 but less than to 180 degrees, that is quadrant 2. Tapos greater than to 180 but less than to 270 degrees, that is quadrant 3. Tapos greater than to 270 but less than to 360 degrees. Nakalimutan ko. That is belong to 300, that's belong rather to quadrant 4. We have here the given or the example is find the reference angle of 745. So, i-check natin kung ang given ba natin na 745 is pasok doon sa 360. So, ang 745 ay hindi pasok sa limit natin na 360. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is to apply the idea of the CoTerminal angle. So, since ang given natin is positive, mamamayos tayo ngayon. So, this will be 745 minus 360 times 2. Bakit times 2? Kasi kailangan natin ng dalawang revolution para sumakto yung sagot natin. Kasi kung 1 revolution lang yan, sobra pa sa 360. So, 745 minus 360 times 2, magkakaroon tayong sagot dito na 25 degrees. So, ang 25 degrees ay kabilang sa quadrant 1. Sabi din sa, ito ay kabilang sa quadrant 1. Ang sabi dun sa quadrant 1, reference angle is equal to the angle. So, therefore, ang reference angle ng 745 is 25. Next is find the reference angle of negative 143. So, ang negative 143 is hindi pa rin siya pasok doon sa 360 degrees. So, ang gagawin naman natin ngayon dyan is mag-a-add tayo. So, negative 143 plus 360 tapos isang revolution lang. Kasi kung dalawang revolution siya, sobra-sobra naman. So, magkakaroon tayo negative 143 plus 360 times 1 is equal to 217. So, ang 217 natin ay kabilang kay quadrant 3. Ang sabi sa quadrant 3 is reference angle is equal to angle minus 180 degrees. So, ang given angle natin ngayon ay, or yung panibagong angle natin is 217 minus 180. So, this will be equal to 37 degrees. So, therefore, ang reference angle ng negative 143 is 37 degrees. The next given is find the reference angle of 158. So, ang 158, check muna natin yung 158. So, ang 158 ay pasok kay 360. Hindi siya sumobra at hindi siya kulang. So, ibig sabihin, we have to find for the saan ba siyang quadrant kabilang. So, ang 158 ay kabilang kay quadrant 2. So, ito ay kabilang kay quadrant 2. Kasi, hindi siya lumampas kay 180. So, ang sabi kay quadrant 2, reference angle is equal to 180 minus the given angle. So, this will be 180 minus 158. So, this will be equal to 180 minus 158. The answer is 22 degrees. So, yun ang kanya magiging reference angle. Next is find the reference angle of 1045. So, medyo malaki siya. So, hindi siya pasok dun sa 360 kasi sobra-sobra siya. So, ang gagawin natin dito is to subtract. So, 1045 minus 360 times, kailangan natin ng dalawang revolution. So, this will be equal to 1045 minus 360 times 2 is 325. So, ang 325 ay kabilang sa quadrant 4. So, sabi sa quadrant 4, reference angle is equal to 360 minus the angle. So, this is 360 minus 325. Magiging reference angle natin is 35 degrees. Yan. And the last, we have find the reference angle of 45. So, ang 45 natin ay kabilang sa quadrant 1. So, this is quadrant 1. So, therefore, ang reference angle niya is, sabi ng sa quadrant 1, reference angle is equal to the angle. So, therefore, 45 yung magiging sagot din dito.